What's this? Here. I could make them here. I put my hands in here. That's silly. I don't. This slime is really sticky on me. No, mine just looks like pink clumped, dischewed pink bubble gum. Feels lumpy. It feels like clouds.
Ah! You're so weird. Take it off.
Oh, it does. It's just grabbing more.
Yep.
This will be one of my fossils. Bigger fossils, you just push it down tight. Oh my gosh, guys, I got a rose.